Ever found yourself staring at a screen, wondering why that shiny new tool everyone's raving about just isn't working for you? Like you've signed up, you've got the email, but something's just not clicking? You're thinking, how do I actually get this thing going? Yeah, we've all been there, especially when it comes to productivity tools. You're eager to streamline your workflow, organize your life, or finally get that project off the ground. And then, bam, a little hurdle pops up. Today, we're going to tackle one of those hurdles head-on. We're talking about Trello, that visual, collaborative powerhouse that promises to turn chaos into clarity. But first, you've got to activate your account. Now, you might be thinking, activate? I signed up. Isn't that enough? Well, sometimes things get a little technical. Or maybe you just missed a step. Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. And that's why we're here. Think about it. You've heard about Trello's boards, lists, and cards. You've seen those sleek, organized workflows. Maybe your team's already using it and you're feeling left out. Or perhaps you're a freelancer, a student, or a small business owner looking for a way to manage your tasks more efficiently. You've decided to give Trello a shot, which is fantastic. But that initial activation step is crucial. It's the gateway to unlocking all those benefits. Why is activation so important anyway? Well, it's about more than just getting access. It's about ensuring your account is secure, properly configured, and ready for you to customize. It's about laying the foundation for a smooth and productive Trello experience. So, let's cut to the chase. How do you actually activate your Trello account? It's often simpler than you think. And we're going to walk through it step by step. First things first, let's talk about the sign-up process. If you haven't already, you'll need to create a Trello account. You can do this by going to Trello.com. You'll typically have a few options. Sign up with an email address, or use your Google or Microsoft account. Choose the option that suits you best. Now, here's where the activation magic happens. After you've completed the initial sign-up, Trello will send you a verification email. This email is crucial. It contains a link that confirms your email address and activates your account. So, head over to your email inbox. Check your primary inbox first. If you don't see the email there, don't panic. Check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes these verification emails can get filtered out. Once you've found the email, open it. You'll see a button or a link that says something like Verify Email, Activate Account, or Confirm My Account. Click on that link. This link will take you back to Trello, usually in your web browser. You'll see a confirmation message letting you know that your email address has been verified and your account has been activated. Congratulations! You've successfully activated your Trello account. But wait, there's more. Sometimes you might encounter a few hiccups along the way. Let's address some common issues. Issue 1. I didn't receive the verification email. As we mentioned, check your spam or junk folder. If it's still not there, double-check that you entered the correct email address during sign-up. If you made a mistake, you might need to sign up again with the correct email. If you're absolutely sure you entered the correct email and it's still not arriving, try waiting a few minutes. Sometimes there can be a slight delay. If it's been a significant amount of time, you can try requesting a new verification email from Trello. Look for an option like Resend Verification Email on the sign-in page. Issue 2. The verification link isn't working. If you click the link and it takes you to an error page, try copying and pasting the link directly into your browser's address bar. Sometimes, browser extensions or security settings can interfere with links. If that still doesn't work, try using a different browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, try Firefox or Safari. Issue 3. I signed up with Google or Microsoft, but I'm still not activated. When you sign up with Google or Microsoft, Trello typically verifies your account automatically. However, sometimes you might still need to grant Trello permission to access your account. Make sure you've authorized Trello to access the necessary information. If you're still having trouble, try signing out of your Google or Microsoft account and then signing back in. Then try accessing Trello again. Now that your account is activated, let's talk about what you can do next. 1. Set up your profile. Take a moment to personalize your Trello profile. Add a profile picture and fill in your name and other details. This makes it easier for your team members to identify you. 2. Create your first board. This is where the real magic happens. Click the Create New Board button. Give your board a name, choose a background, and invite your team members if you're working with others. 3. Explore the features. Familiarize yourself with Trello's core features: lists, cards, and labels. Create a few lists to represent the stages of your workflow, and add cards to represent individual tasks. Experiment with labels to categorize and prioritize your cards. 4. Install the mobile app. Download the Trello mobile app for iOS or Android. This allows you to access your boards and manage your tasks on the go. 5. Explore templates. Trello offers a wide range of templates for various use cases, such as project management, content planning, and personal organization. Browse the templates and find one that suits your needs. 6. Integrate with other tools. Trello integrates with many other popular tools, such as Slack, Google Drive, and Dropbox. Explore the integrations and connect the tools you use most frequently. 7. Learn about power-ups. Power-ups are add-ons that enhance Trello's functionality. Explore the power-ups available and find ones that can improve your workflow. 8. Customize your settings. Take some time to customize your Trello settings. You can adjust your notification preferences, change your language, and more. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.